किस्मत लिखता हूँ खुद अपने ही हाथों से, मुझको तो हर नजर का अंदाज बदलना आता है। हेलो हेलो हेलो, नमस्कार, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सत श्री अकाल एंड अ वेरी 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 गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। Your voice is too slow. You don't have energy?
I have.
So again, good morning Barabanki.
Good morning, sir.
So now I am going to invite. I would like to suggest you, please turn off your phone.
More than that, they tell how to think, how to ask questions, and how to find answers. And second is guide in life. When we students feel lost and confused, teachers show them a right path. A teacher helps students understand their strengths and overcome their weakness. And third is moral teacher. A good teacher doesn't teach from books, but also teach values like discipline, kindness, respect. Teachers shape society. Behind every successful people, there was a teacher, doctor, engineer, leader. All of them started their journey from a classroom. If I talk about good qualities of a teacher, first is strong subject knowledge, clear communication, passionate about teaching, innovative teaching methods, a good listener, understanding, positive, confident, and a good listener. And if I talk about good responsibility or duty, first is lesson planning, parent communication, individual support, instruction delivery, record keeping. The role of a teacher is not limited to the classroom. If a teacher leaves a lifelong impact on the student, we should always be thankful and for their hard work and dedication. Teaching is not just a job; it's a duty, a mission, a service to a gift to society. Doctors save lives, engineers build cities, leaders run countries, but teachers create all of them. And last, I want to say, teacher doesn't have any crown, but they are the true queen and king of knowledge. Thank you guys for appreciating and listening.
थैंक यू मैम। एक बार मैम के लिए जोरदार तालियां बजा दीजिए आप सभी।
My name is Alisha, and firstly, I would like to pay thanks to Mr. Arthur. Today is very serious topic, women empowerment. So, are you excited, everyone? Yes. Women empowerment. Women empowerment means equal rights, reputation, opportunity, and job freedom. Some rural area women are not freedom to a job and not freedom for study. It's wrong. Some people think about the women only do the household job, but they don't know the women do everything because so many ladies are too bad. Women are in space travel, women in a sport, women in an actress, women a singer, these types. Women are a pilot, women are a fighter jet. So everybody group are wrong. In Indian culture, if you're looking women,
You carry
in
on.
Indian culture, women are looking just like a worship. Durga, Kali, Lakshmi, Mother Mary, etc. etc. But some rural people they forget them. It's wrong because women are good right to be a successful and live a whole life. In Indian culture, some people thinking about who they are a woman's voice. But do you know Lata Mangeshkar ma'am? They proved are wrong. The millions people are here a voice. Some people think about really women are Ekta Phopar, Babita Phopar. They prove are wrong. Some people think, really, women going to outside and working in a Bollywood. They prove Priyanka Chopra and so many actors are proved they were wrong. So why not we are work in other side? So please change your mindset. And women are not only one a day to be a respect. Women are whole day want your respect. Some people think women are only respect a one day, Women's Day, Daughter Day, Sister Day, only one day respect. It's a wrong. Women want to respect every day because some people think about women only one day want to respect and women wants to uh, follow the money. That is wrong. Please, I request to a women respect. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much.
पसंद नहीं आई मुझे लेकिन अंदर एक जिद थी कि नहीं मुझे चाहिए तो चाहिए इसका मार्केट प्राइस आ गया मार्केट प्राइस इसका उधर से आ गया इसका जो मार्केट लेकिन इसकी जो वैल्यू है ना इट कैन नॉट बी परचेज फ्रॉम एनीबॉडी किसी से वो खरीदा नहीं जा सकता इसको पाना पड़ता है अपने टैलेंट के दम पे सो इफ यू हैव अ टैलेंट जो स्किल सोच एवरीबॉडी आप फिर जिद कर दिखाइए ये स्किल आपकी होगी और इसमें नीचे लिखा है विनर कुछ लोग आगे मुझसे रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं मुझे मैनेजमेंट का सर्टिफिकेट दे दीजिए भाई साहब 2 मिनट बना के दे दूंगा आपको बट यू डिजर्व फॉर दैट यस और नो यस इफ यस यू कैन टेक अगर नहीं करते तो जबरदस्ती सर्टिफिकेट मांगा नहीं जाता है उसको कमाना पड़ता है सो प्लीज इस माय रिक्वेस्ट टू जो पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं आज उनको आपका साथ चाहिए तो उनको थोड़ा सा कोऑपरेट करिए क्योंकि जो नेक्स्ट सेमिनार होगा वो आप लोग का होगा तो प्लीज इट्स माय रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल कोऑपरेट देम ओके सो नेक्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल ही इज आल्सो वेरी टैलेंटेड पर्सन ही रिसेंटली ज्वाइन आरके इंस्टीट्यूट अभी मुझे लगता है 1 से 2 सप्ताह हो गए लेकिन इनकी जो एनर्जी है ना माशाल्लाह मत पूछिए ये जब बोलते हैं तो लगता है छा जाएंगे तो बुलाना चाहूंगा सर आप ही बुलाइए हाँ जी
So, ma'am,
मैम ये सर आशु यस सर
yes, sir.
आशु आशु
I thankful for Raj sir to give me this golden opportunity with interact you with on the podium. Today I telling about the topic freedom. Freedom is the important. Freedoms everyone's thinking like how to get their parents, but freedom not get you generate. I think you think you explain you think your family you are able to make a decisions every situations like after complete you 22 or 23 years of your life then you start how to earn your money your financial support not depend on your parents and try to responsible for family responsibilities you build your freedom like how to think like how to earn how to build your quality and responsibilities in in our your society around your society that is means like in this generation think like freedom is like your parents give and you take not this like you generate your freedoms you you think your responsibilities you know your understanding your responsibilities according to your family and their societies because every person have an important role in their society and in their life and last point I think I say to all of you not not compare to yourself with other because no one can play a role better than you thank you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Today I'm telling about a very important topic. Firstly, I would like to thank to our actor and also Ram who has given me this golden opportunity to speak on here. So, so let's start my topic. My topic is importance of English. English is not just a language. Sorry, English is not our subject. It's a global language. We all use to educational purpose and also communicate in English. When you can communicate in English, you also have become a more confident and more self independent to others. No, yourself. And also you must try to, when you want to job in other countries and also want to hire companies to job, so you need to learn English and also speak, because English is important in every field. As an educational purpose, English is very important. And I'm letting one thing clearly: promoting English is not promoting English is not a ignoring our mother tongue and our native language. English should be an addition, not a replacement. So be proud of our native language, our national language, and don't treat English like a subject. English is a key, like open the doors to new cities, universities, other countries. You want to job and you want to study in scientific search, in scientific field. You see many technologies and many books have been written by English. So English is important. You all know. So that's why I'm supporting English. But be proud to our native language and also our national language. English treat our language who shape our future, who build our future. Thank you all of you. And
माथे का चंदन हिंदी है, लौटा अभिनंदन हिंदी है। हिंदी राग नहीं, अनुराग नहीं, लोगों के दूषित भाव नहीं, ना ही हिंदी अभिलाषा है। जोड़े जो 29 बेटों को हिंदी भारत माँ की आशा है। पर तिरस्कार उस आशा का हो गर्म लघु बल खाता है, जब हिंदी माँ के सम्मुख कोई प्रश्न चिन्ह दिखलाता है। मुझे घृणा नहीं अंग्रेजी से, ना ही हिंदी का अभिमान है। मैं भारत माँ का बेटा, उसकी भाषा का सम्मान है। So,
big thanks to respected sir who has given us a chance to sing here. Would you like to appreciate us? My name is Tanu Amma. Her name is Vaishnavi, and her name is Astha Singh. So let's start.
ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में कि हम खो गए प्यार की रांगनी में। ये बाहों में बाहें, ये बहती निगाहें, लाने लगा जिंदगी का मजा। ये रातें मौसम नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा, ये दो दिलों ने ये मिलकर कभी न होंगे जुदा। ये रातें मौसम नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा। ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में कि हम खो गए प्यार की रागनी में। ये बाहों में बाहें, ये बहती निगाहें, लाने लगा जिंदगी का मजा। ये रातें मौसम नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा। ये रातें मौसम नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा।
Thank you.